Hi, my name is Peter Troost, and I'm the Vice President of Engineering for High Street Partners. We've spent a lot of time looking at the payroll market, and what we found is that there are really no good options available for a company that wants to operate across the world. At High Street Partners, we're all about international expansion simplified, and the payroll solution has been designed and developed with that goal in mind. It doesn't matter if you're managing payroll in Japan or Kenya or the United Kingdom. The process is exactly the same regardless of the country. The screens are the same, the workflow is the same, and the reports and information that you'll get from the system are all consistent. Our payroll offering is comprised of two application tabs. The payroll tab is where you administer your payroll instructions, and the HR tab is where you administer your employees. If I click on the HR tab, I'll see a list of all of the active employees for the company. I can add an employee, or I can go in and administer an existing employee. Let's click on Ed Brown. The details for an employee are neatly organized into sections. The sections are consistent across countries, so regardless of which country you're working with, the way that you administer employees is exactly the same. After you've completed administering your employees, let's go to the Payroll tab to enter our payroll instructions. Sensitive payroll data is handled securely within the platform by living in the cloud, not on spreadsheets or shared via email. The administrative controls are permission-based, so only the users that should have access to payroll will be able to see it. If there are pay codes or deductions or contributions that you use that no one else uses within your country, those can be added in minutes for your use. On the Payroll tab, you'll see that there's a nice wizard here. Down below, we have a spreadsheet for entering our payment instructions. The quick view is intended to show you only the fields that are most commonly used, and this is to make it really quick and easy for you to just provide the basic information, press submit, and get the employees paid. To work with the full payroll information, you can click the Show More link, and you'll see all of the various fields within the payroll spreadsheet. You can also see, looking at the wizard at the top, when each step in the process was completed and who approved it. One of the most powerful features of Overseas Connect is the integration. As you know, when you expand overseas, you typically need to find solutions for each discrete process that you support. An accounting system, an expense reporting system, a cash management system, and then you face the added challenge of making them work together. At High Street with Overseas Connect, we've solved all that for you. When you log into Overseas Connect, you land on the global overview. HSP doesn't require a minimum number of employees. There's one user interface that is the same every time, everywhere, and includes an unlimited number of countries. The global overview is intended to give you a single view of your overseas operations. I see a comparison of employee count by country and a comparison of total operating expense in US dollars. I also see a summary of all of the compliance events that are coming due for each country in which I operate. Okay, so that's the payroll demonstration. I think as you saw as we went through the suite that this is only one component of our offering. The Overseas Connect platform also includes financials, expense reporting, cash management, compliance, human resources, basically everything that you would need to manage an overseas operation. We encourage you to get in touch with High Street Partners to go through the rest of the suite and to see what it can do for your business.